What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. We are in the freaking Hellcat, guys. It's been a minute since I've driven it, bro. It's been working so much and it feels good, dude. It sounds so good right now today. I love the whine, bro. I'm like just driving casually, dude. Just so freaking loud, bro. I love it. The reason why you guys don't see my wheel connected at all times, bro, this thing like drains my battery. I must have connected the wrong ground cable or something. And I was trying to find like a schematic for it, but honestly I couldn't. So it is what it is. Oh, dude, after straight piping it and changing where my valves are set up, dude, it sounds so much better now. You can just tell the flow so much better. Let's do a little outside POV of this thing, man. Dude. Oh, dude, this can never get old, man. I don't know. Something about this look. I feel like what I just need to change now is just put some headers on it, tune it, lower it for sure. Maybe put like a little spacer to make it like fit nice and clean. Definitely this year things are going well right now, really well. So I think this year I'm gonna try to spend some more money on it. I took a little break because I just feel like I was spending too much money and there was not really much getting done. I felt, yeah, there was like just like the exhaust kind of just was like, it's not that bad. It's just like when you try to make money and when you're doing business, you have to have equity in the beginning. So right now this year is a good time. Things are going really good. All glory to God, man. Like I said, always put God first, man. Let's listen to the idle on this thing. Oh, dude. V8, bro. I love muscle, dude. V8 muscle is something freaking else, bro. Something freaking else. Supercharger wine is freaking everything, bro. Amazing, dude. So since things are going well, I think I'm gonna get pretty serious about getting E92 real soon. They're cheap, and you know I don't mind rebuilding the engine if it's messed up and stuff. Luckily, I know a lot of people that can do rebuilds. So honestly, bro, this is like a perfect time to do it. That's why I really want to freaking do it. I feel like E92, it's a V8 BMW. It's like an older school one. It's yeah, it's naturally aspirated, which sounds so good for like an older BMW. And then if I put a single turbo on it, it's gonna be like the perfect freaking mix. Perfect mix, bro. Yeah, I'm definitely changing my routes when I'm driving this car, guys, because I noticed that when I drive it through like the streets, like through like where it's like it's neighborhood, but it's still like there's a high speed limit. I don't have any problems with cops, and I'm not like stressing or anxious. Oh, do you know what? This freaking street would be perfect. I'm gonna go down the street. Oh yeah, let's go. I have the whole street to myself. There's no cop behind me. I couldn't tell. Yeah, I can't tell. Whatever. see the average miles, bro. The average miles in this thing is horrible. Gosh, stupid loud. This weather's freaking perfect, bro. I love this sort of weather. It's like almost, dang, bro, already in March, bro. What the, bro? Time's flying way too fast, man. Hope you guys been doing good, man. Make sure you guys always put God first, like I always say in my videos, man. No cop, no cop. Make sure there's no cop. No, there's no cop. Oof. Oh my gosh. Make sure you guys are putting God first, man. At the end of the day, like I said, guys, when you get these cars, it feels good. There's no doubt. You feel more accomplished. You know, you feel good about yourself, especially when you level up at a company or you do like whatever kind of engineer, whatever thing you're doing, you become the best at it. It feels really good, but you'll get used to everything. You know, at the end of the day, bro, like the peace that God gives you is nobody can understand, man. It's the best. This lady's scared, bro. I mean, I don't blame you, dude. This thing's stupidly freaking loud. But yeah, man, life's never the same when you live it for yourself, bro. You gotta know, dude. There's a creator to every creation, man. It's like, dang, bro. Dude, this weather's like freaking perfect right now. But make sure you guys put God first, man, every single day, man. Always, man. One thing everybody knows me about, before I even had a career, before I had cars, I always told everybody, if you do good, right? If you kill your flesh for Christ, you really think God's not gonna bless you? God will for sure bless you, bro. God will bless you for your works. Like stopping yourself from sinning as much as you can. God will bless you for it, bro. He reward. The Bible says, resist temptation, and He will give you the crown of life. Like, God doesn't play games, bro. He ain't capping. I'm gonna tell you now, dude. What you guys gonna see this year is a perfect example, bro. I try my best being, building. I try my best having a good relationship with Christ. I try my best to kill my flesh. Every single day I'm working on it. And I'm obviously still being disciplined and still being, consistent with my job and working hard and not making excuses. Not blaming everything else. Like, God, why are you not giving me this? Like, no, I gotta I gotta do it for myself. I gotta have God with me, of course, at all times. But you gotta work hard, bro. Like, you still have free will. Like, you gotta put the work in it, bro. If you really want to be successful in life, you gotta put the work in, man. And God will bless the steps. That's for a fact. God will bless the steps. Diligent hands brings wealth, and lazy hands bring poverty, bro. It's literally a whole Bible verse, bro. That's what I'm saying. God ain't playing games when it comes down to working hard. He definitely blesses the people that work hard, bro. If you're lazy, bro, you ain't gonna go forward. That's freaking crazy. Screams like crazy, bro. hear the echo from here, bro. That's crazy. Love this thing, bro. And there's another beautiful freaking park. One last video, boys. We're gonna end it off here. This weather's amazing. Perfect weather to be driving this thing. Winds freaking beautifully. It's been 2 years, almost 2 years now. Still not sick of this thing. Grateful, man. Always gotta put God first, man. You never know when your last day is. You always got to. Yeah, bro. Life is good, man. Life is good. You gotta put God first always, man. You never know when your last day is. Love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more, we should subscribe. This, like I said, bro, this year we're gonna go crazy. I think I'm gonna go for a build because then I can make more videos and talk and all that good stuff. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.